no grind and stop being lazy. Bag chasers, now we the bag maker. Like it's carpentry weaving through haters. Like it's archery, hit what we aim at. I said we was bag chasers, now we the bag maker. Like
only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time,
yo, oh, I realized that sun is right behind me. I'm probably gonna have to turn my camera around. Anyway, y'all, life has been lifing, but now it's lifing up. We are actually waiting on Uber to get here so we can go ahead and go to the store. We're going to pick up some stuff, get some groceries, prep for Christmas, and get a few things that were needed for the house. Y'all saw the first part of the video with the whole car situation, so of course that specific situation didn't work out, but one thing about the Lord, he always gonna work it out on our behalf. So I can tell y'all the news now because by the time this video gets out, everything's gonna already be handled. So we went with a different approval process and we did get approved for our auto loan, thank the Lord, and it was a really nice amount. So the next thing to do now is gonna be to go ahead and go pick up my license from the reinstatement office, but I gotta go pick it up because it's still a Tennessee license. So I'm gonna go and pick that up whenever I can, and then we are gonna go ahead and get a car. We're gonna try to see if Carvana also has some options, so that way we don't have to like try to get a ride, like they can come and drop it off. But between that, the new job and the promotion and all of that, things are really starting to pan out for the better. I got like 9 vlogs that I'm behind on, y'all, that I really gotta catch up on. I just hadn't had the energy to really dive into it like I normally do, but we are working on consistency and intentionality. But as of right now, like I said, we're waiting on the ride to get here. I'm gonna take y'all with me to the store. We're gonna try to get groceries and stuff. Oh y'all, we went through our spending budget. Like we did some financial planning yesterday. I'm gonna have to sit down and really talk to y'all about that because the way these Ubers and grocery orders has stressed me out. The fact that it is cheaper for us to catch an Uber to the grocery store to pick up our own stuff and catch an Uber home versus ordering from like DoorDash and Instacart is absolutely insane. Right now we're kind of just waiting on the ride to get here, so y'all gonna come with us.
watch your step. My wall. Hope you know what you want.
It's packed in here. Everybody must be doing last minute shopping because y'all, there are so many people. Like I had to stop in Subway because she want a foot-long pretzel, so we're currently getting a pretzel. I'm checking out my new tripod too, y'all. I haven't used this one out in public, so we will see how it goes. I feel like it's leaning, but I don't know if it's just me. I'm probably gonna maybe turn it some to see if that helps, but this is just throwing me off.
We want.
my new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch
Yeah, they need some for their actual cover. I mean, their actual comforter set.
So big.
That's more like it's a decorative pillow, but they need actual pillows, which I'm pretty sure we passed it. It's over on the other side.
I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Hi.
Contract down, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
One, I don't know what to say. Anyway, my husband took the kids. I'm for one looking for gifts, like small things for like my mom and maybe the girls, because we still need to get them some stuff. I know things like makeup, nails, they really like, so I'll probably just get them like the little sets of press-on nails. But then I also got really overstimulated because I have not had a car. I haven't been outside, and I picked a day to come outside. It is so many people out. And he's also calculating all of the stuff because we still got to get groceries. I know that my parents said they're going to help also buy groceries since we are hosting the holidays. So I got to see how much I need to shop for today so that I can figure that out. I did. Okay. So I did see these and I saw these. I'm pretty sure Destiny would like these ones right here. I'm just trying to make sure they're not too long because she is 7. But I can always file them down. But I like these 3. Oh, these are cute. These little ones with the hearts. It's just something about being able to say, where is my husband? I love that for me. I gotta hide these from them though. I had on too many layers. I had to take them off. Oh, my bad already. All right, so we did all the other shopping. And now we're getting some things for the house. And then we're gonna get some food for the next couple of days. We're in the checkout right now, so we can go ahead and get all our stuff. Then we gotta go back to the house, clean up, get stuff organized, set the tree up and all that. Hoorah. Y'all will see that when we get home.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and do.
What time you are? Stop. In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
She was like, this my destiny should be.
Picking your cell phone over and over. The highest song, but I don't wanna be sober. Girl, I'm on my knees. I promise I'll be good, and I will never do it again. In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the car. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like it takes
Shop at BBBCBG and she floss her Gucci frame.
you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be alone.
We making steak taters and broccoli. Ah!
Don't yell at me.
Look at you. Dinner. Yeah. And don't get it confused, baby. My kids eat good too. Okay? Life is doing what it does. I was cleaning up and my baby started throwing up. Y'all, she didn't even eat dinner. She just said she was tired. She's been saying that she was tired and she's been throwing up the past few days. I tried to give her nausea medicine and keep her hydrated. I don't know if it's dehydration, if it's acid reflux. I don't know. And then each time we try to take her to the doctor, they're basically like, oh, give her some Zofran. And if she can keep this popsicle down, send her home. So I'm just gonna try to go ahead and get this stuff done because my parents are coming tomorrow instead of Tuesday. So I'm trying to get as much of this stuff done as possible tonight. That kind of just threw me off a little bit, but just trying to do what I can to get finished. So we still gotta set up their tree and do their gifts and wrap the gifts that we do have here, and then they'll be bringing the rest of their gifts when they get here, so those will have to be wrapped too. It is so hard as a parent when you see that your child is sick and like there's just nothing you can do about it. Like I can't take the pain away from her. I put her in the tub and she was crying because she was like, I'm tired, mom, I'm tired. So yeah, so I'm probably not gonna get a lot of sleep tonight because I'm gonna be watching her and listening for her.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
the way to my in-laws. I need to find my batteries or y'all ain't gonna get not a lick of content, to be honest, because this one is not gonna last. I made it. I matched the decorations, actually. So. Hi, Andy back.
Do you remember those like used to be a little old? Hang out
So holiday tradition, she opened a gift and then she got her ukulele and then Des got a full setup and then she also got a Barbie too. So they will be opening everything else in the morning. And then I got my vest because it eased down real bad. And then hubby got his jacket, which he looks glutz. So yeah.
And you got a gift right there.
So good.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
Decide where we want.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
All that cleaning. All that cleaning.
We had a lot of
Basically.
lessons.
Destiny, show us your favorite gift that you got. Or point it out. Okay, your Barbie coloring book. Nice. All right, Deani, show or point out your favorite gift that you got. Your scooter. We're going to the store. Popular. You're gonna be popular. All right, everybody took a nap. We up now. We up. That's straightening up everything. We still got Christmas games to play and then a Christmas movie to watch. And then I gotta pack their bags and stuff and get them ready for tomorrow because I have to work in the morning, so I wanna go ahead and pack. A lot of their clothes still have to be washed. So, I might just send them to you in a bag and you can wash them. Wait, I'm going the wrong way, ain't I?
get some me time.
You know what you want.
Maybe I love myself. I don't know. Leave me here.
Go, Tinky. Go, Tink. Hold on.
Stack, stack, stack.
Stack,
Gotta go
man.
fast.
Stack 'em, Yanni.
Stack, Yanni. Uh-oh.
Good, good. In the 90s.
Good job. 1,
Go.
2, 3.
Go, 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 Baba.
Oh,
Lord have mercy.
oh my Lord.
Oh, now you might win it.
Ah.
I'm Let me see. Let me make
Just
sure.
you first. Just one.
Can you see?
No.
Fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need my
Go, Yanni, go.
fuck my wealth.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I know why I get it, why you need me. I know what you like. I feel it for me.
This ain't Texas. Woo.
All right.
Tell me something, yes, yes. I try to keep you, and I need some lessons. I need to get